One wave.
Beach when everybody are leave.
Anyway guys, it's what time? Almost 6?
It's 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
Well, but listen, you guys will still see a vlog and we're just walking and walking. This is my first time. I see one girl.
Rapunzel, let down your... You see, me not calling you know. Rapunzel. Babes, watch out. Right now, Casey have a problem, I'm not ready with them. You can't ask Christ.
Not a problem. Alright, everybody's here.
Yeah.
Let's see. Listen, Jamaica beautiful. We smell this, okay? We're smelling what we're seeing. And the scenery is absolutely beautiful. The trees, the kids are ahead of us. Alright guys, we gotta get ready. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey Zoe, hey mommy baby, hey pretty girl. Yes, you want to eat son? I'm gonna find something for you. Kyra and Quinn, alright?
Yes.
What you guys doing here?
I'm burying Lanny.
You burying Lanny?
Yes, come. Lanny, wait.
What you say? So you're not going out there? Why?
Yeah, wait for you. Yes.
Crazy. Guys, she love it. Yo, me not coming at this.
Yes,
the water cold, yes. So we got something burying over here. Mommy buried. Okay, no, getting buried here.
Ask your father.
Huh? Oh, Amelia, you buried?
You buried? Yeah, I got
You guys having fun?
I just got buried.
You guys having fun?
Yeah, I did.
Come here, my friend. Come here, Rapunzel.
Lena, come.
Why didn't you give me a picture?
Harry, you want a picture?
Yes.
We're gonna take it. Oh! Smile.
Ready?
Alright, I'm gonna take yours, no. My copy picture. Me now go further and grow. People look here.
People, them are going melon, them are some melon. Mind your poppy tree. You understand me? Well, let me ask you a question. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm the biggest fish right here.
Oh, Rapunzel. How you doing? How you feeling?
The water is so cold over here.
That's why I'm not going in there. She's practicing for what?
Oh, when it's that time.
Put it for your toe. I think she was watching there. Watch it.
Jonah whale right now.
Whale and shark.
Rapunzel, come here.
No, whale and shark. You know them are charging and they're making news.
What's happening here, guys?
So guys, my little brother want to challenge me, you see. Always want to challenge me. I don't understand why. But me I teach him a lesson in the morning, you see. I know night, I know day. What we are going to do? Tell me what we are going to do.
You want to race, so we have to let you start from the deeper side.
Come on.
Yeah, up there, so yeah, from the deeper side, man. Yeah, from the deeper side.
No, man, whoever reach over there. Swim, dives through anything. We are going over the next side, I sand.
Alright.
So whoever reach over there, say drive, jump, it no matter.
Ready? I'm doing the marker. After 3. 1. Dry line out there water. Alright, 1 after 3.
On your mark. Pull your car.
Drink. Yes, I want him. Yep.
Come here, be hamstring. But you go at Kiawe.
You're unfit.
We not gonna know. Hello,
You not swim, come cross back. Cushion, you're coming back cross. Babes, you swim, come back. You swim, come back. Come swim, come back. Yes.
You want baby this?
when I can't come back, I have to send for lifeguard.
We have to send for the... After 3. No, you need exercise. After 3. 1. Pull your cock. Drink.
Shabbat is disqualified.
So CMR swims alone. On your mark. Pull your cock. Drink. And the winner of Frenchman's Cove Olympics is none of the above. And the winner of the Frenchman Cove's Olympics is none of the above.
It's done now!
No, but
My bunks. In your water bunks.
I'm hamstring you, so realize me I feel the pain.
No.
So I said, no, sir.
So, how do you guys feel to be a loser?
Lose the race, you know, them talk about them have injury.
Yeah. So let me ask you guys, how you feel to be a loser?
Shaban, answer that. Chain I want back, you see?
So why didn't you take it off and throw it away?
Because then this will be a valuable resource, you see me? No, but for real, I got an hamstring injury, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready now? My areas.
No.
Shaban, you know
Race
so
one
long.
land. I like the race one.
Race one land, alright, come with that. Come to who fast and
No, I can't do that one.
no can't left me, I tell you.
I beat in the water already.
Let's see who is faster on
You
land.
get beaten by now.
Let's see who is faster on land.
No, I can't do it.
You put mash
My
up.
foot mash up for real, man.
Alright,
Right now,
CMR is
your boy.
crying Cree.
You might win.
You know what that means?
Yeah?
You lock exercise. Alright.
Yeah, when I go play ball, I never exercise. That's true thing. Never hamstring injury for real, man.
So CMR cry Cree.
No. I'm racing.
No, but hold on there.
No, you have a performance.
Yeah, come, I race for you.
Hey.
I race for you, come ready. I found this, I got cheer to swat the bag there.
Alright.
Nobody,
You ready?
I'll get some photo for you, short.
You ready? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
Alright.
Pick it, Jailan out.
Guys, him get beaten in the water. And he want to beat me.
You both lost.
Man.
You both lost. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, Wani, stop Wani.
Me I look at me and say, me no see boy.
You think
When me look, me see boy, there be, me I say, oh, boom.
that's how I say, me get up, I say, I put me, so some say, get up left, man, when you see a TV, when you find shot, you get up and run left.
So that me have to do, me can't swim
So,
for the
but me
shallow.
reach a shallow to before you, I
No,
try
never
make
reach
it
him before. Boy dead. Dead, damn dead.